Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today I'm going to open up these Meeden paints and mix some up. They sent me these paints to try. Meeden Acrylic paints. These are heavy body, rich colors, multi-purpose, basic colors. So I'm gonna look at these paints. It's a good size tube. Two yellows. This is yellow ochre. No, that's medium yellow. Lemon yellow. Yellow ochre. Some white, black, and some burnt sienna. So today I am going to mix up medium yellow. And these are 2 ounces. In this box, it's the same rich colors, heavy body. And there's scarlet red, crimson red, Prussian blue, cerulean blue, pale green, green, deep green, and okay. So I'm also going to use deep green. I'll mix up pale green and this cerulean blue. That's 4. I'm just debating if I should use one more color. No, I think just 4 is fine. So I'm going to mix these up with my pouring medium. And the pouring medium that I use is still the old Behr 8300. I still have some. So it's in the description under, under my video. Okay, so I'm just going to show one color and then I'll come back and do a painting. So this is my pouring medium. And I usually do 1 part paint to 2 parts, excuse me, 2 or 3 parts pouring medium. So let's mix up this blue. I'm going to try and measure as much as I can. So this is a I've gotten so used to it now, I just eyeball it, but for the sake of this video, I don't have another one. Okay. And I'm going to use 2. And then I'm going to add water. Pretty blue. Seems very creamy. So I'm going to add some my water that's mixed with varnish. So I like it to make a trace and disappear in like 2 seconds, just another drop. Yeah, that's pretty good. All right, I'll be back when I finish mixing and do a painting. Hi everybody, I'm gonna do a bloom, and I took my runoff paint from my previous pour, poured it back on top of my tile, and now I'm gonna do a bloom. Just one bloom, one regular bloom. So I'm gonna do it a little bit different. So I'm gonna do the dark green on the bottom. This is Meeden paints. Meeden sent me some paints. This is a deep green. And then I'm gonna use light green. No, I'm gonna put yellow. Then I'm going to use medium green. My paint recipes are in the description under my video. I'm going to put the blue on top, and the blue is opaque, so I either put it on the bottom or on the top. So let's try it on the top this time. Last time I did it on the bottom on my previous painting. And that was cerulean blue. Debating whether I should use just black. I'm going to try just black this time. I'm going to do my breath again. Excuse my head. Wow. That seemed to work pretty good with the blue on the top. Yellow, nah, the yellow just kind of blended in with the green, I think, and just made more green. That's okay. Pretty though. I like the blue and the green. So these Meeden paints seem to work pretty good. I was going to do a swipe, and then I ended up doing a bloom. I didn't have my pillow piled high in the middle. But oh well. Let's see if I can get this paint off here. I can't spin it with this paint on here. Okay. Spin it. That's one way to get more negative space. Spread your paint out more so it's not all coming off. I do like these Meeden paints. They're very, very good. Well, I almost got the paint off. I love the blue and green. Love, love, love it. All right, let's see if I can see if it's moving at all. Not really. A little bit. Spin this again. Pretty, pretty. Give these Meeden paints a try. I have a discount code in the description under my video. And their website link is there too. These are, this is what they are. Meeden Acrylic Basic. These are the basic colors, and they're 2-ounce tubes. Colors are on the back. This one has 6 of one color, and you can also get 6 of another color. There's the tubes. Okay, I think this one is pretty good. One more spin. I just want to get this corner. I'm done. Love it. Thanks for watching. The dried result will be at the end of the video. Have a good day. Hi everyone. This is all dry now. It's beautiful. A nice little shine to it too. The paint is nice. I really like the Meeden paints. Dried really good. I think I might like it this way. There you go. Have a great day, everybody.